In this video, we are going to use CyberDuck to upload an HTML file to the server. So let's begin by going to CyberDuck. You have downloaded and installed CyberDuck in your previous class, so let's go open that up now. All right, so from CyberDuck here, you won't see this yet. You'll probably see a blank page, so that's okay. Let's go to Open Connection. And here you have to enter your server name, username, and password, and that is all available to you in your course documents in Class 2 folder. So let's scroll down to the bottom here, FTP info for uploading files. So let's select this one for the server name and for the username. And then for the password, okay, and connect. Okay, so if it doesn't work out, it might be because you maybe copied an extra space when you're copying the password. That could be why. So now you will come to this page where there's a whole bunch of folders. I would like you to go into public_HTML, double click in there. And then you find a bunch of stuff in there too. Where I want you to go is into the Info 2105 folder. Okay. And then now I would like you to create a folder for yourself. Okay, so I'm going to create one by going to right click and then new folder. Okay, so again, you right click on this space here, on the white space, preferably over on the right here. Go new folder, and I would like to name it after your name. So I'm going to name it after Yin. My name is Yin, so I'm going to name it Yin, no spaces and all lowercase. So please use only lowercases, and I stress again, only lowercase, no uppercase, not even the first letter of your name, and no spaces in it, please. So the name that I would like you to use, some of you might have, different names or multiple first names. So I would like you to go into your official name that is on Web Campus. So go to your first name, and then if you have, like Riddick here has more than one here for his first name, so just please use the first one, all lowercase, no spaces, please. Okay? And if I am having trouble finding your folder, I will let you know, and because then you won't be receiving a grade. So you need to check in with me if the name that you used is okay and if I can find it. All right, so let's go back here. So you should create a folder like so, and then double click in that folder and make sure that you never go into anybody else's folder. And here's the most important thing. Do not ever delete anything. If you need something deleted, please let me know, and only let me delete, so you do not delete anything, please. All right, so in here, this is where you can upload your file. So you can go here to upload, and I'm going to navigate to where I have saved my work there. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go to FDU Info 2105. So you might have saved yours somewhere else. Okay, and here we have site. So I had been working in that site folder. Remember, we created the empty CSS folder, empty images folder, empty JS folder. Remember that? So I'm now going to select all of that, okay, all of it, and then go choose, okay, and continue. Okay, and now the upload is complete, and I have index.html along with the 3 other empty folders inside of my Yin folder. So what it looks like is there's the Info 2105 folder, and inside of it there's the Yin folder. And you would have your own folder with your name in it, and inside of that you would upload all that stuff that you created in the last video. Okay? Alright, so now that this has been uploaded, it is actually now live on the server, so which means that you can look at that page from anywhere in the world, any place that you have internet connection, and you can go to a URL and check out that page. So let's go make that page a little bit special. So let's go into Atom and say this is Okay, Yin's paragraph. Okay, so I want you to, instead of this is a paragraph, I want you to write your name in there, apostrophe S, and then let's go save it. All right, and I'm going to go back to CyberDuck, and I'm going to upload this time that file again, but this time I just need to upload the index file there, index.html. So make sure that you saved it, and then I'm going to upload it again. So it's going to overwrite the old version where it just says this is a paragraph, and this one's going to say this is Yin's paragraph. Now, where do I go to see it live on the web? Okay, so where I go to is, here we go. So let's go to course documents. I have a link here for you, a link to check your web page. So it's yinmao.whc.ca/info2105 because that's the directory we're in, and then / your name. So my name is Yin, right? And this has to do with the folder that you created, okay? So whatever folder you created, that's what you would put in the place of your name. So I'm going to put that there, and your name here. And there you go. This is Yin's paragraph. So that is your first class activity and your only class activity for this class. Now, what I would like you to do is to go submit it on Web Campus and submit the proper link, which would be this link here that goes to your page. Okay, now remember that on CyberDuck, you have to make sure that you have created a folder with your name in it, okay? And then that link that you go to view would then have your name in it. And as well, in the index.html, make sure that you put your name in place of a, okay? Instead of saying this is a paragraph, say this is, you know, Yin's paragraph, or this is Sam's paragraph, okay? So your name should be in there. And after that, you should go to Web Campus and submit your assignment. So from your course documents class 2 page, you will scroll down and then go click on class 2 activity 1 here, where you would submit that link so that I can go view your page. So over here where you have your, you can go text submission. So you would write submission, go and copy that link here, which shows your page, not my page, okay? And paste that in there, and then you can go submit, okay? And that submits your class activity, and I will give you a grade for that activity. All right, so that is it for today's class material. Don't forget to do your quiz, and I will see you on Tuesday. Have a great weekend.